Hello, sharks.
No.
So, did you know that out of 15 children, 3 to 4 children don't get books today? Yes, that's about 8% of the Indian population. Isn't that fabulous? No, it isn't. So, my name is Ayan Mehta, and I'm here to represent my company, Bookery. So, welcome to Bookery, where we believe that old books deserve new homes, and we also believe the fact that quality education should be provided to everyone. And buying new sets of books every single year can be very costly. So, we have devised with a new idea that involves you selling or buying. Yes, you heard me right. Selling or buying old books. So, now our website will be relying on, our company will be relying on a website that will be soon to be launched, and an app which is on its way to Play Store. So, we don't have a targeted audience because we have a wide range of books, from traveling to cooking, from business to study guides. We have it all. So, sharks, my ask is for about 25 lakhs of rupees for 10 or 15% equity and some of your guidance. Thank you.
Come up with the idea? Like, did you see a gap, or did you talk to people that they are not able to get books or they can't afford it?
So, this idea was born when I, went from 8th to 9th. I had a lot of books, and when I say a lot, a lot. So, my father was about to give them to Pasti, and we were discussing what will be the idea. It's all that we saw that Pasti, a lot of books, and then we came up yes, usually in India people want 2 sets of books, one to stash it in their locker and one to keep it at home for the study, so they can avoid extra weight. And I've always been that student who always carries all the books. So my mother is quite against it. So that's when we came up with the idea that I think we should start something innovative like this that could help the students as well. So it was something based off of relatability.
Talking about the finances, as you said, like you're asking for 25 lakhs, which is going to 15%. Like, what is the premise? Like, how did you come across? I'm excited to know.
So first of all, this is where the investment will be used. So the 50% of the money, that would be about 12 lakhs 50,000, will be used in marketing. In marketing, those it will be used as physical and social media marketing. In physical advertisement, we would get banners around schools, and about social media, it's really simple. Then 25%, that would be about I think 6 lakhs. Yeah. Website building and employee payment. So we will be building a website and an app as well. But website will be the first step towards this. So 25% of that will be used towards website. And another 25% will be used towards inventory. That is for storing second-hand goods.
But talking about the target market that we talked about, we're not sure about what the target market is because everybody is reading books. But on the contrary, we see a lot of people shifting to the digital books. Why would a person come to you for the physical books?
What do you mean?
People are moving towards the PDFs and mobiles. People love reading on mobiles, on the iPads.
But then, as I said, people need 2 sets of books, and somewhere they keep it stacked. Plus, using e-books can really damage your eyes as well.
Okay. So I have an additional question to this. When you are creating a website, there are specific stores which are already doing this task in the physical space. Then why do we need this website or an app where people can practically go to that particular store, sell the books, or get 2 sets, or where these books are recycled and it's done since ages? So how you are connecting? Because as we are talking about the investment part, it would be a huge investment, and what is the credibility as you go further in the market?
So I think you said people can go to stationaries or Pasti, right?
There are specific old
stores. Physical stores.
Physical stores.
See, so it's all about convenience. we can just get it. See, there are two advantages. First of all, we're eco-friendly and we take it all from your home. You don't have to come to a specific place. We will get it. You just have to sit, at your house. You can just press some buttons and we'll be there. So it's about transportation and all.
It's more adding to convenience of the consumer and the customer both.
See, Amazon. You have your basic needs. Sometimes you get it from Amazon. Although there are supermarkets around you, you still get it from Amazon. Why? Because they get it to your home. Plus, they're convenient.
Thank you.
It's an incredible idea. But the point is that this will cover only these school books, or it will also cover like all types of books. Correct. Now you just mentioned about Amazon. As you are aware, in Amazon there are deep discounts. So a book which is of an MRP say 299, 300 rupees. Sometimes you get it for 100 or 150 bucks on Amazon. Now what is your pricing model when you would have thought of how the company will earn? So when you get the old book, you will probably make it, refurbish it and then sell it, or you will sell it as it is. And then what would be your pricing and profitability into that?
So first of all, it depends on what is the condition of the book. See, I'll be partnering up with Porter just for Ahmedabad. So we'll be starting off with Ahmedabad. So when the porter guy comes to your house, he'll check the books. If they're in good condition, then only he'll give the price that we have shown it on our store. If there is some problem or scribbling or torn pages, we won't accept those books. And as for the profit, see, if there's a set of books for 8th standard for about 2,000 rupees, when after a year, when it is no longer of any use for you, you either sell it to Pasti or you give it to your friend who's in 7th or 8th standard. So in this, when you give it to Pasti, they measure it in kilograms. Now, max to max, they'll be giving you 300 rupees. What we're doing is we're ready to offer you about 700 rupees, 700. Including porter charges, it would be max to max 800, 850. Now the person who needs that 8th standard set, we'll sell it to them for approximately 1,500. So the initial price was 2,000. They're getting it in perfect condition. We're delivering it to their home, and it's cheap as well. They're saving 500 rupees. So that's how we make profit, and they save money as well.
We're talking about the point which you mentioned, like say for example it's a scribbled book, it's a damaged book. The porter guy will go and he'll check and you'll reject it, right? That is going to be a very critical element about your cost, which is probably not covered because we are living in India. We have to accept the reality. As per the recent estimates around, I understand 70 to 80% will be damaged. So that aspect is to be factored out while.
So damaged as in scribbled or pages torn? Because if it's repairable, we are more than ready to accept it. If it's scribbling with pencils, we can use eraser. If the pages are torn, but they have the torn pages, they can repair it. As long as it's repairable, we are ready to accept that.
Okay, so assuming that 10% of the books will not be repairable, it will be absolute shatters. So in that case, again, the cost element for you as a company is going to be a big hit. That's what you have to consider. That's why.
Yeah. So in the era of ChatGPT, right? How do you plan to onboard users, right? Since you are saying website building and employment, right? How do you settlerize the user onboarding, right? Because ultimately your app or website has to be marketed to many users and all stuff, right? And it's the same time in the ChatGPT, they can actually go into the last year's data and then they can get all the answers and everything, right? So how do you differentiate? Right?
So ChatGPT's training data is only up to 2021. Also, as for how people will know it, there's a reason why I put 50% for the marketing, because this business requires marketing. Also, we will be more dependent on the social media marketing because 12 lakhs something will not be, that much if we want to do physical marketing. So mostly we will be relying on social media marketing. But somewhat physical marketing will be done. I'm not saying 99%, but somewhat will be done. Not a majority, but yeah.
What will be your app or website unique features which will make them onboard them? Yeah?
First of all, most of the things will be in stock because we act like OLX. We have a warehouse where we'll store things. Second of all, we have it delivered. I think you may know the name Bookchore. There's an app called as Bookchore. See, they also follow and selling. No, they follow a second-hand business. Just like mine, they follow something like that. But their only problem is that they are never in stock. See, I have checked this multiple times during this month, and I have got to know that most of the books that are available are, not most of the books people need are not available because they don't have a warehouse, they don't have any inventory.
So coming to the inventory part of it, from first standard to 12th standard, CBSE, different state boards,
CBSE,
ICSE and state boards. Have you calculated an idea?
No, we'll only
Okay.
be working on to 3 boards.
Okay. Have you worked out for all these grades the total inventory stock which you would be required to be always in stock when an inquiry comes in? What would be that?
So, what do you mean by that exactly? Can you specify?
Yeah, so what I mean is that, as you said, the books will always be in the stock. So any number you have thought of, you have done that homework regarding that from first grade to 12th grade, all the boards, if you want to keep in stock, say at least 2 sets or 3 sets of these books, what would be the inventory working capital cost which you would be having it?
25% of the investment you would be giving 6 sets.
Super.
I have a suggestion for you that you could do not a subscription model basically, or for example, a 7th standard student is coming and giving the books to you because he will need 8th standard books. So you could do that, he will give you the 7th and you could give him some discount rate, exchange rate or something. So that makes the customer come to you again and again because, right, for example, he started when he was in 6th. So 6th and then he bought 7th standard books from you again.
Pre-order.
No, pre-order once. Yeah, so you are basically retaining him again and again that because you are giving him some discounts or because he has subscribed to your model, to your website. So you just giving him that he keeps coming to you again and again, that you will give him some discount. It's not that he's just giving you. Are you getting me?
Yes.
So this is just an add-on that you could do to just get the customers again and again.
Okay, so the last set of questions before we move on to the numbers, exactly. So you said like the company or the website and everything is going to be formed or already formed. What's the status? And who are working with you?
So about the website, I have the basic HTML code ready.
Okay. Who are working with you? Just
As of now, I have only myself and my time.
okay. Great. Now you are in which standard?
9.
9. What about a scenario where you are having an order of 1,000 books versus an exam coming in?
50-50, I have to focus, I have to multitask, unfortunately.
Okay.
Because
That's not unfortunately, that's fortunately.
multitasking is not good.
Well, you have to,
You all are juggling with the same scenario, so it's
you have
fun.
to realize that, but again, multitasking is the only thing. Okay, and you shared about the revenue models. Any rough estimates? You're too young for that. But any estimate? Okay, say for example, you start on the website. How many books you're going to sell off in the first year or at least?
So let's just consider that one of you has 15% equity, and we start off the business as the first year. So the population of Gujarat is 6.27 crores. So I will at least be expecting 10,000 downloads through advertisements, and through that I will be expecting approximately 2,500 users who will use the app, and at least 1,000 transitions. Yes. So after that, our profit usually would be around rupees 800 to rupees 1,000. So into 1,000 into 800 or 1,000, whatever you feel like, will be our profit for the first year, and then you getting the 15% out of it is also. So this is how you will make profit as well, and my company will make.
Just one piece of advice that this is an exciting model first of all. I just wish I had the wisdom as you have at this stage, at my age. Talking about target market, so what I understand the excitement that you want to do everything. Pick a small niche, pick a small set of books, go out in the market, just validate. For somebody
Surveys?
no, just the books. Say for example, you could talk about a small community like people who love fiction books. Just pick that pick up an age range
What
which
the market wants.
yeah, exactly. So do
Supply
that
and demand.
do a very small validation check because 25 lakh is not a small amount. You at this age will be constantly under the pressure of doing things right because it's natural. It comes to you that okay, I have to pay back and do a small validation run, see how it works, and once that is done and once done, pretty much you're good to it.
I just have one more thing to add to it, Ayan, as he just quoted right now, a very good model. But talking about whole Gujarat, and I heard you somewhere talking about Ahmedabad itself. I'll ask you to constrain it more and look at your target audience, because right now, as this model is equally important to you, your parallel academics is equally important. And going, rather than jumping on the larger scale, going step by step, the model can be done, the app can be created, it can be downloaded, but taking one thing at a time and advancing gradually and keeping adding on. That also gives you one more added profit, which is mouth-to-mouth publicity.
So our target audience would be mothers, not students. Because clearly they want, students, most of the students don't like studying, so they won't come on the website and say, hey, I'm going to दूसरी books का set दे. So our target audience will be mothers because usually they care about the children और उनको ही चाहिए कि हाँ इतना wait to कर रहा है तो second book set खरीद ले, this is a website जो सस्ते में देता है ले लेना इतना क्यों कर रहा है. So, our target audience would be mothers.
Thank you for specifying that.
So, Ayan, we do a lot of investments and we invest in the founders. There may be business ideas which may look a bit dicey at the front, at the first go, but they may be successful. The founder is having that fire in his stomach, and 100% you have that. But just one takeaway from my side also. I am sitting here, we all are sitting here because our team is working somewhere, for us. So you need a very good team, you need good mentors, you need good co-founders, your website, your vision needs to be implemented. And for that implementation, you need your friends, your experts from the industries who may join with you. There are various ways in which they can be part of this. So give a little thought about it. Make a good team where where you are studying for exams, there are people working for you. And we have seen unicorns and billionaires before they get a voting card or before they get another, get into a mature age, they become unicorns. There are so many examples, and very sure you will be one of them very soon.
Awesome. And investors, before you go, they just kind of two rules that we weren't set. So you have 7 minutes, they have 3. And the other one is the end kind of result is, hey, I would like to mentor him and then potentially invest with him. So you're making that promise. The only thing is, if you make that promise, we will hold you to it. So you do want to mentor them at your time, at your pace. But whatever structure, the rule is same time, same place every time. So let's say one supporter, you're bringing him in, you're checking out what they're up to, and then they can grow from there. Because the idea is not for them to quit school, of course. I mean, if they make 10 million bucks, sure, quit school. But they're in the process of parallelly thinking, as we all have seen. So the promise is, I like this idea, I like the person, right? Jiddi, Junoni, Jigyasi, good. I want to mentor this person and hence potentially invest the amount they ask for.
So, and here's the offer for you. I am ready to take up the initial pilot run. Say, for example, we do a 200 book pilot run. We see how it works. We'll bear all the costs and we take it ahead.
God damn, wow, awesome. Hey guys, whatever happened to not taking the first deal?
It was a good deal.
Well done, well done.